Today I'm going to be installing this roar pedal throttle controller. Now, it's like a pedal commander, only probably worse because it's really cheap and I fell for the stupid scammy ad on Facebook. But it's like a lot less, about half the cost of a pedal commander. So I figured I'm going to try it in my 2012 Civic because this thing has like the worst deadly slow throttle response in the world. So in here you get a little cute little box, and you got your crap that it comes with. Yeah. So here's the commander itself. Just has a female USB, micro USB. And then inside, when you order it, it comes with, you give them the make, model, year, all that garbage, and it comes with the connector that connects to your vehicle. So I'm going to connect it up and see if there's any difference. Okay, I got this thing installed. I don't have it installed permanently, I just have it setting here for now. So it's really simple. You just unplug the gas pedal, plug it in line. Instructions are pretty clear. So it has race mode, sport plus mode, sport mode, eco mode, which I would never use, and normal mode, which I might use. Each mode has 9 settings. Each mode, like sport mode, plus, and race mode. The normal and eco, I believe, do not. So you just hit this button here, and that would be SA, would be eco mode. And SU is race mode. That's on 9. So it's extremely touchy. So I'm just barely going to touch the gas. And it responds a lot quicker. So I did try it, and it does respond a lot quicker. So I'm going to go give it a test drive and show you guys how it works. So I'm in normal mode, so this is back to my default stock mode. And we're just gonna turn here. It's really hard to gauge on a video, I don't even know why I bother, but it actually did seem to make a difference when you put it in the other modes. So as soon as I get out of this, there we go. Alright, so I'm just gonna floor it. Okay, so cruising 45, I'm going to floor it right now. Had a bit of a delay, so I'm going to switch it and try again. Okay, now I'm in race mode at the most sensitive, craziest setting, just to prove a point, just to see how it works. So now I'm gonna go, barely touch it. Oh yeah. Okay, so the gas pedal's very touchy. You know, of course it doesn't give you any more horsepower, it just makes the gas pedal respond a little quicker. So we're gonna do the same thing, rolling at about 45. I'm going to floor it right now. So as far as the throttle response, the pedal's quicker, but the transmission doesn't really respond much quicker because that's just the way it is, I guess. It's kind of crappy the way they're programmed in this car. It's for economy, so it wants to stay in a high gear. But as far as this driving, yeah, I'm barely touching it, and it's pretty funny how sensitive it is. So that's it in race mode. So what are my thoughts? I mean, it does what it says. It makes the throttle more responsive. The throttle input, but the transmission doesn't respond any quicker, but that's not what it's supposed to do. So for about half the cost as a pedal commander. I haven't tried a pedal commander, but this seems to do the same thing. Time will tell if it'll be any good. I thought I was going to get ripped off because the ad was extremely sketchy, and all the comments in there were really a joke. They were like computer generated, but I figured I'd gamble and give it a try. So yeah, I mean, worth the money? Sure. I'd probably buy another one if I had to.